What a good feeling. It feels so good to have a job that's literally went on for 5 months done. I love this laundry room. It absolutely turned out amazing and I wouldn't change a thing. Great storage, everything just worked out perfect. It's a great space. It's gonna add value to the home. Well, good morning everybody. It's an early morning. It was gone at 7:30, so not that crazy early, but I'm excited this morning because this has been the longest job in my history that this has ever taken. So basically there's a series of things that kind of happened on this job. The sink was delayed, and it was delayed for like, well, it was supposed to come in May. It is now halfway through October. And yeah, the sink literally just came in a month ago, so that got installed. And then the hardware, the handles, they have been getting pushed off. And so we were waiting for knobs. That was the only thing. So 16 knobs to finish off the job. And the company that I deal with, they're really good, but like literally pushed this, kept giving me dates that I'd call, see if they're coming in. They don't come in, and then another month goes by and then that date doesn't come through. So anyways, the customer actually went ahead and searched them on Wayfair, and she actually found them on Wayfair. So they ordered them. They literally came in within a week. What? Yeah. So here I am. I'm gonna put these knobs on and then I'm gonna show you guys this laundry room, because this laundry room is absolutely stunning. It looks amazing. I absolutely love it. So I'll show you kind of all the things. I did show the build there before. So yeah, let's get to work, guys. I got lots to do today. Let's get this done and show you guys this beautiful laundry room.
Every single day, I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up.
All right, guys. I think I finally have done it. This job is actually complete. So everything is all done. The countertops are in, the handles are in, closet rods, everything is complete. And this, my friends, is absolutely stunning. I love this laundry room. It absolutely turned out amazing and I wouldn't change a thing. Great storage, everything just worked out perfect. It's a great space. It's going to add value to the home, and it's going to give tons and tons of storage for if they have a young family, kids, all that kind of fun stuff. This laundry room is a dream come true. So guys, we got a black sink, we got black cabinets, black lowers, we got our beautiful granite countertop, absolutely stunning, with the book match backsplash, beautiful brass tap and sprayer, with matching handles, knobs. Check this out, guys. Little storage spot for hanging and drying things in the laundry room. It's absolutely amazing. All soft closing. Even underneath, it's even closed in. Amazing idea. Over here, we got all our upper cabinets. Beautiful maple interior. Beautiful handles. With closet rod. Soft closing. Beautiful maple bench. Handles. And our solid maple tongue and groove drawers with, you know it, cove crown molding, one piece all the way across. This is probably about 12 feet, and one piece continually all the way through one piece. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't. But I think this looks absolutely stunning and absolutely beautiful. Little shoe holder. Closet rod. What a good feeling. It feels so good to have a job that's literally went on for 5 months done. Like I said, that's the first time in history, and guys, it's definitely rewarding. When it's all done, I love it. It's so cool to see these creations come to life after you draw it up, do all the things that you need to make it look good, put all the handles on, finish it, install it. Couldn't be more happy. Turned out absolutely amazing. So guys, that's a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and drop me a like. And don't forget to comment on this video too. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd change, and what's your favorite part of this laundry room. Tell me what your favorite part is. Is it the hanging rack? Is it the soft closing? Is it the handles? Is it the granite? Is it the sink? Is it the faucet? Let me know. I'd love to know in the comments, guys. That's a wrap on this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. See ya.